In this video I am going to show you how to connect your flash drive into your iPhone or iPad. Let's see that. Actually, to transfer files from iPhone to flash drive or flash drive to iPhone, you need a connector which is commonly called as OTG, on the go. For iPhone it's Lightning OTG or iPhone OTG. It's just a simple connector. It connects your iPhone and your flash drive. And I will leave this connector link in the description. If you want, you can buy that. Okay, now what you have to do means just connect your OTG and flash drive like this, and then take your iPhone and you need to connect this end into the iPhone charging port. You can either connect like this or this. In both ways it works fine. I just connect like this. After you connected, just open Files app and you can see the flash drive. For me it shows CX pen drive. Usually it shows untitled or no name. This is your flash drive. Just open that. Yeah. After this you can transfer files from iPhone to flash drive or flash drive to iPhone. Then after you transferring the files, you need to minimize this and close the recent and then eject the flash drive. It's a safe method, but if you want additional safety means you need to turn off your iPhone just like that and then remove your flash drive. It's too good. And this is how you connect your flash drive and iPhone. If you want to know how to transfer photos and videos from flash drive to iPhone and iPhone to flash drive means watch these videos.